Hey guys, I'm back over here at Cassone's RV. I got something of a treat because I've only talked about this and I don't get to show you guys this very often. So here I have a Winnebago roof that's been rhino-lined or RV armor, whatever you want to call it. And I want to just want you guys to see what I'm talking about, how it doesn't really fix most of the problems. It's just a Band-Aid over the top. And it's a pretty expensive Band-Aid. So let's take a look. Alright, so here we are. It's a 2000, it says 2007? Okay, we'll call it a 2007 Suncruiser. So it's an Itasca. I wish the sun would come back out so you guys can see what's going on here. This roof is completely delaminated underneath this. So you can see how it's buckling right here. If I were to get a better shot there, you can kind of see those buckles right there. That is the actual Phylon material that's come loose. So the fiberglass material has come loose from the plywood substrate, the Luan substrate. So it is locked down, and I don't think it'll ever come up or be a problem. But it's not good looking, I guess is the best I could say. If I step here, it's really soft. I don't know if you can see that bulge all the way right there. And so what they do, they go over the top right here. So there's the roof cap molding, and then come over the side. For whatever reason, they chose to go with gold on this sand green motorhome. I don't know if you guys can kind of see up there, but the whole roof is basically delaminated. So this is a good repair in the sense that it's watertight and secured. Let's see. So it's loose right there too. So, I mean, like I said, it is a repair and it does work. I'm not sure the color was the right color to go with. But there, now you guys can see what I was talking about. I'm not completely insane. All right, there's another delamination right there. So really it's delaminated there, 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 there. Basically everywhere. So it's a good thing they got this put on. Otherwise the roof would have completely ripped out at this point. Alright, so here it is. From the ground level, that gold on top doesn't look too bad. And in the shade it doesn't look too bad. Let's go to the other side and see what it looks like. Isolated just as the roof, it looks fine, but I think when you look at the entire motorhome, it's debatable. Now I don't know who did the job. I was just here to helping them with the heat pump. Like I said, it works. I'm sure that was as much, if not more, than an actual new roof on there. But this does have a lifetime warranty. Maybe, actually I think it's probably a lot more than a new roof. There you go. I'm glad I'm happened across it. Thanks for watching. That's it. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. Happy New Year.